Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a data entry form in Microsoft Excel. We will open Excel and first we will write down some basic data like first name in the first cell, and then last name, email address, and phone number. And then we can write down company name. Let me adjust this, and then designation of the person, and then we can write city name. Okay, now these are overriding each other and congested, so we will give them some space according to their required data, so like this. Okay, so when we do this, so we will select all these cells and go to insert and click on table, and then click on my table has headers as well. Okay, so when we are here, so then we will go to file and click on this option button. Okay, in the option we will click on customized ribbon, and then commands not in the ribbon, and then we will check for the forms. It's like here, yes, forms, then click on add, then okay, and then new tab. Then we will give it rename it new tab, and then click on rename and give it name like data entry. This name will be appeared on your Microsoft Excel in the menu bar. Okay, then click on new group, and then new tab, uh, forms. Okay, edit, uh, then click on this new form. Okay, and then rename it as well, and here we will give it to this attach this circle. Click on this circle button. Okay, so uh, now our data entry form is ready, so we will select it, and then we will go to data entry form. This form is here. Click on the form, and now we will fill out our data like first name. You can write anyone whatever you want, like Jim, and last name you can give it to last name whatever you want. Okay, email address, write down your email address at the rate of anything. I will write jim@yahoo.com, and then phone number. These are not real, I'm just writing to just show you how you will do this. Company name and designation, and then the city name, um, Islamabad, I'm just writing, so this one. So then click on the next. So here now your data is entered here. So this is the way to enter your data, to create a data entry form, and this is the way to enter data in these forms. I hope you will like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more upcoming videos. Thank you very much.